Hello everyone. This is second part of PNETLab version 8.60 installation. In the first part, I have installed Ubuntu Server. In this part, I'm going to install PNETLab version 8.60. Okay, first we need to download PNETLab version file um, from following website. This website. This is the user file. We can download this simply by clicking this blue button. I have already downloaded the user file, and then we need to unzip this user file by Windows application. I simply type extract to PNETLab folder. This is this folder. Okay, inside this folder there are some .sh files because I want to install this PNETLab on Ubuntu Server. I need to use this file, this .sh file, install PNETLab .sh file. But if we want to upgrade it, upgrade for example from previous version 53, you need to use this file instead of this file. Okay, let's first upload this folder into Ubuntu Server VM via WinSCP. Keep in mind because I cannot log in into Ubuntu Server with root credential, I need to change SSHD config file on Ubuntu Server. Let me connect to my Ubuntu Server by shell. Let's verify my IP address, PNet. This IP address. Let's connect it to 1.2. Accept and save. Okay, I need to change this SSHD underscore config file so that I can connect it by root user. Let's let type this one sudo nano. It's config. Let me show why I need to change this SSHD underscore config file. If I want to log in as root by WinSCP 192.168.80, 142. Currently, I cannot log in by root user. Access is denied. can only log in with my PNETLab user. Okay, let's change so that I can log in with my root. I need to change only these two files, these two items, options. I need to set permission root login to yes and set password authentication to yes either. Let's find permission login. This is permission login to yes. And password. This is password authentication. Paste ctrl and x and yes enter. To start my SSH. And I need set password to my root user account either. So, sudo swd and root. Okay. Now I can connect to my PNETLab 2142 root. This is home, the PNET, and this is it. Okay, let's go to root. Okay, and upload this folder here. Okay, let's open this. I'll go to cd. Let's go to sudo -r and ls. This is my folder. Okay, let's and its permission message mode equals to pinlet my folder. Okay, Let's do cd pnet ls. Let's check connectivity. Okay, now simply install PNETLab by this command. Install pnet and this is swap. Enter. Okay, let me pause this video and I will come back. Okay, PNETLab installation is finished. You can see all process here. Number two, it is 14 stages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and yeah. And default login is admin and PNET in offline mode. Okay, let's reboot. And, you know, okay, let's connect to my nearest IP 192.130 and 143. Okay, this is admin PNET and sign. Okay, this is package 6860 with one. My system, dependency on disk, my EM version, engine version, dependency. This expand. We have server power. this images section. There is fix permission here. We can fix our images here, but from here, as a manual local, we can upload PNETLab images by manual local images without using WinRCP and fix permission. Networks, the user roles, AIMCP, MCP service, Unilab, and Mara. Okay, this is how we can install PNETLab version 8.60 on Ubuntu Server. First, we need to install our Ubuntu Server, then upload or then download this PNETLab installation file and upload this files into Ubuntu Server VM by WinRCP and upload and go and run this command. Here is the yeah. This simply install this data search bar. Install PNETLab data search bar. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video and thank you for being.